We talk a lot about beautiful invasive plants that we don't want to plant in our yard, but we have come across a beautiful native plant. This is called Ninebark, and it has gorgeous showy white flowers that turn a pinkish color once they're done flowering. And the reason it's called Ninebark is because its bark it peels back quite a bit. So the thought was it could peel 9 times. Not sure if that's true or not, but nonetheless, it's very peely bark. And it's a great shrub if you're looking for one to plant in your yard. It's native, like I said, and it's got lovely flowers, and they're white and pink. Usually they grow on stream banks or along the shore or near the shore, just like this one. So it's a common sight to see in the River Raisin watershed.